Hi friends, and welcome to my cookie school. This is the ultimate cookie decorating class teaching you the art of cookies. I am your host, I am Chef Kimihou, and welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started, let me just tell you a little bit about my journey. For the last 10 years, I have been a celebrity pastry chef here in the Atlanta area. What does that mean? Well, it means I've done a couple of TV shows. I have been a keynote speaker at several industry conferences. And of course, I had a celebrity clientele. So the number one thing that they loved to buy from me were cookies all the time. All types of cookies for every occasion. And that is exactly how I built the Cookie Emporium into one of the top boutique bakeries in the Atlanta area. And now I'm going to teach you all of my tips and tricks so that you can do the same thing. Let's get started.